So becoming a YouTuber is one of the greater things that I think is a big step that you actually take in 2024. So, but after being a YouTuber, there are some few steps that or settings that you actually need that will actually help your account or your YouTube channel to stand out very well. And this thing is not any other thing, which is the Google AdSense. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create a Google AdSense and why you need it. It's very, very important. So if you don't know about AdSense, AdSense is connected directly to your YouTube account because that is the only way that you can be get paid. So without AdSense, you cannot receive payment from your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google AdSense account and how you can connect it to your YouTube channel. So don't pass any video, don't skip this video, make sure you watch this video to the end. So guys, let me show you how you can create this. So on your, if you're using an Android phone, it's the same step. If you're using a desktop, it's the same step. So what you need is just for you to follow the step and we will arrive at exact point. So first of all, for you to be able to have or to create a Google account, a Google um AdSense account, you need a Gmail account. Definitely the one you use to create your YouTube channel. So that is the one that I would like you to use as well. So there are some possibility things that you actually need, verifications, which I'm going to show you the process and how you can do that. So without wasting much time, just go to your Chrome browser, which is this very one, and on your Chrome browser just search for Google AdSense. Just search for Google AdSense. Just search for Google AdSense and then click. So the first, I think this one, the second one, just click on it, and then this is how it is. You create, we help you earn. So this is how you're going to do. You come over to this place that says signed, click on the sign up. If this is your first time, you are going to sign up, but if it is not your first time, you're going to go straight to the one that you actually have. Here you're going to select the Gmail account that you actually use to create your YouTube channel. So in this case, I'm going to select this very one, and then it's going to load. So this is how it's going to load. Here you can see some information here. Let's get started. Follow up the step to start earning with AdSense. Here we have AdSense setting confirmation, which have been confirmed already. Tell us about yourself. This is where you fill some of your information by clicking on enter information. So it's loading. So here, as I zoom it, you see that individual name, which is your account type. You can click here to choose an organization if you want to create an organization accent account. But in this video, I think the individual is better since you are creating for a YouTube channel. So in this process, you're going to put here your name, which is the one that you're actually saying. Just click on here and then you can edit it and change your real name. Here you can add address. Just put one address, city, the passcode, any country that you are, and any state that you think you are, you can just put it. So after that, you put your phone number. Is optional. If you don't want to put your phone number, it's fine. And then the next thing that you need to do is to submit. So once you submit this information, it's going to get verified, and once it's verified, you're going to receive a notification on it. Then here, when you come over to this place, say hi, boost your earning with AdSense email insane or performing report, personalized and webinar. So let's see. Let us not go there, but let's see this notification that's actually here. okay, which I think is the same. So after you submit, you allow it. Once they review it, they're going to approve it instantly. It's not going to take you much time. But let's click on this to check on this very one. So on this process, we have the Gmail account, we have the first name and the second name, and then we have the contact, and so many things there, which is from the personal settings. So when you click on this three line, guys, make sure you pay attention to this video. We have already set our personal information, so we will click on this three line now. Click on this three line. So once you click on this three line, you see here we have ad. The ad that is actually you are running. You understand? If you want to run an advert, this is where you're going to run ad. Then here we have site. Just let me use this to indicate we have ads where you run advert on YouTube. Then here we have site. If you want to connect your site for advert to be running and then make some money on your website, so that is where you click. So let's see how it's going to load. So you're actually loading. Let me just show you some few things that you need to understand when it comes to setting up a site. So maybe you have a website that you actually want to monetize. Sorry. So this is how it's going to look like once you click on site. So let me zoom it a little bit so that you see it. Here in this process, I have one site here, which is the bonfire23.blogspot.com. So it requires a review, not found. So if you create a website that actually have a domain, it will be easily being approved once you have unique content on that site. And then you click on new. Here you're going to put the website. Now for example, now I'm going to use www.hemonday. Okay, go to the YouTube. How you're going to connect the YouTube. So that is how you do the website. Just copy your website URL and paste it, and then it's actually going to show, and then get verified. So on the payment aspect, you have the privacy, we have the brand safety, and then we have policy center, we have the payment, we have the account settings, which we are going to talk about it. On this one, we're going to look on the payment settings. So click on the payment, and then you see payment info. Here on the payment info, and we have verification check. So what we will do, we're going to click on payment to set up some few things. So let's is actually loading. So on this process, say add payments. Payment information is unavailable. So you click here to add payment. So on this process is for those that actually want to run advert on um on Google AdSense. So this is what you need to do. So since we are not running ad, I'm going to leave that side. So let's load. Remember I told you I've talked about the okay, let's check on the verification. So let's check and see. So verify your identity. So in this process as a YouTuber, you have to verify your identity. The reason why my own is not actually showing is because I have not yet filled any information. I'm just using it as an example for you guys. So this is how you say you need to confirm your personal details to get your account ready to receive payment. So what you need to do once you have filled all your information, this thing that you're seeing that nothing is showing in my own end, they're going to show you something that you click, and once you click, you're going to start filling some of the information that's actually needed. So let me go back on the three dot again, and then once you click on the three dot here, or you see account, we have account settings, we have access and authorize, and we have the inbox. So let's check on the account settings. Under the account settings, which is this variable, we have account information, we have personal settings. Okay, so now let's look on account information before coming over to personal settings. Remember, you can also do this thing on your on your desktop mode, which is the laptop. I'm using my phone for now. So here we have publisher ID. This is your publisher ID. You understand? And then here we have customer ID. You see all the information here. So let's go back again. Click on personal settings. So let's see how the personal settings look like. Under the personal settings, we have your email address, your name, and I think there is no much on this. So let's go back. We have authorized access. So let's see. We have user manager, you have third party, you have crawling access. So they are very simple and they're very easy. So when it comes to connecting your YouTube channel, once you click, the first time you create your account, if it is the same Google account that you actually use that you have already created an AdSense account, automatically is going to create it for you. But if you have not, you're going to see it in the channel settings that you should link your Google AdSense, which I'm going to show you on how on what I'm actually explaining for you guys. I don't actually want this video to be very long, but because of I actually want to show you guys what you need to do, so there's no choice. So I'm going to type in YouTube to quickly show you what I'm explaining to you guys. So it's actually loading. So this is my YouTube dashboard. So under my YouTube dashboard, since I'm using an iPhone, since I'm using an Android phone, I'll click on my three dots here. Under my three dot, I'm going to say view channel, which I just click it. So under the view channel, I'm going to come over to customize the channel. Under customize, just allow it to load a little bit. Guys, just be patient. If you know you're enjoying this video, make sure you share, like, and also comment. So this is my own dashboard. Then come over down here on these settings here. Just follow the arrow button, click on that side. Then this interface is going to load. So here we have the channel, which I'm going to click on the channel. Under the channel, come over to this place that say okay, no, AdSense setting. Come over to future. Let me click on here first. Okay, here they say that link AdSense. I don't know if you guys actually seen it. So I'm actually showing you guys something here. Let me zoom it so that you actually see it. Link AdSense. Just take a look on it. Link your AdSense account. So what you will do is for you to click on this place that say link, and then here link name, AdSense ID. So that ID that I actually show you before, go and copy that ID, paste it here, and enter the name, and automatic is going to be connected, just like this very one that I have here is already be connected. And then the next thing you should do is to click on save, and then this thing is going to actually save. So this is how you create an AdSense account and then connect it to your YouTube channel. So remember, once you have once you start having up to $1, that is $100, that is when you get paid on YouTube. So guys, thank you if you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for another one.